What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making bacon wrapped Lit'l Smokies with brown sugar. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need Lit'l Smokies, bacon, brown sugar, and Kinder's BBQ Blend. We're going to begin by cutting our bacon into thirds. Next, we're going to wrap our Lit'l Smokies in bacon. Place bacon wrapped Lit'l Smokies in a cast iron skillet or baking dish. Season with Kinder's BBQ Blend. Cover with brown sugar. Set your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 45 minutes. And there you have it, bacon wrapped Lit'l Smokies with brown sugar. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.